Hello everyone. Welcome to the channel. Now in this video, I will show and tell you how to delete a video from YouTube. Please subscribe to the channel. Watch this video to the end. Let's get started. To do this, we need to go to the YouTube application, absolutely on any device. After that, we click in the bottom right corner. Library. Make sure you're logged into your profile. And then here we click on your videos. And this is where all of our videos that we've posted to the channel show up. And in order for you and I to delete them, we click on the three dots next to the video. And there's Share Video, Edit, Save to Device, and also at the bottom Delete. We press Delete and press Delete again. After that, as you can see, the video is deleted. This is such a simple way to delete any video from YouTube, absolutely on any device. But if you helped and liked this video, you can like it, subscribe to the channel. Thank you for watching. See you again. Goodbye.